Boko Haram is using armed drones. Let it be on record.
Okay.
They are using armed drones.
Oh, Paris. Weaponized drones.
The Nigerian army is not using. In other words, they are more sophisticated
than Nigerian army.
Than the Nigerian army.
Oh, Paris. You don't get.
Lastly, I lost people in Wajiroko.
Hey, yeah, sorry.
I lost people in Wajiroko.
Hey, yeah.
As a result of Boko Haram insurgents. This is the view I can give you. Just a tip of an iceberg as far as my conspiracy is concerned. I observe one thing. Boko Haram is fast coming back worse than what we had in the past.
And I don't hear them. Fast coming back.
Boko Haram, ISWAP, or whatever name you call them, they are coming back. Let us do something.
So are you ready?
In order not to go back to our days when 22 local governments out of 27 local governments of Borno were occupied by Boko Haram.
26 of 27.
Mr. Speaker, honorable members, we should be complacent. Rome used to be the greatest empire on the world. But it was destroyed by the complacency of the Romans because of their inability to take things serious to deal with their enemies.
Okay.
So as I'm speaking to you, personnel, there are no Nigerian army personnel.
Non-Nigerian army personnel.
Enough personnel to face these boys. That is the truth. They are committed. They are very strong in their own stand. But unfortunately, they don't have enough personnel and equipment to face the Boko Haram.
Yeah.
I have seen it. Nobody reported it to me because I went to my constituency on Saturday and came back on Sunday. So, Mr. Speaker, honorable members, we shouldn't be complacent with this. I align with Honorable Gadi by saying that we should do our own needful by doing the proper oversight of money expended. Because between 2015 to 2019, Nigerian government spent 19-point-something trillion naira on security issues. I have the record with me.
I don't read the
Nigeria spent 19-point-something trillion naira on security. Just security to work for insecurity to go Nigeria. Now, our one assembly don't confess that Nigeria army don't have enough equipment or enough weapons to fight Boko Haram. And these guys, these Boko Haram terrorists or whatever you call them, they are coming back rapidly. And in their own fullness, they are armed to the teeth. If Nigeria army, tí wọn ò bá lè kojú àwọn Boko Haram civilians, are you ready to face them? Remember, if you fight back, you won't máa pa ẹni. If you remember the guy that fought back, nílẹ̀ Hausa wọ́n ní kó lọ yẹgi fún ni. They sent him to death by hanging for self-defense, defending himself against Fulani S-men that stabbed him first. The Fulani S-men came to his farm, Malu Jeokwe, and the man speak up, Malu Jeokwe mi, Fulani Yoruba, Oguma severally. And the man took the knife and shook the Fulani back. One was he caught. The man was in jail for 10 years. Now, what he died enjoy. Judiciary in Nigeria and he won't up by hanging for protecting or defending himself against Fulani. One about Fulani, Mr. Johnson Abikilo Ukwe. His name is Mr. Sunday Jackson. You don't defend against Fulani S-men. One ki won lock by hanging, sentenced to death by hanging. So, nǹkan tẹ́ bá rí sí nípa ọ̀rọ̀ Nigeria àti Fulani S-men, ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. I remain my humble self, Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Ṣé terrorists lè stop ní Nigeria? And how do we defend ourselves? Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ọmọ Yorùbá, do you want us to still continue in a country without equity? In a country tí àwọn kan ju àwọn kan lọ, in a country tí àwọn kan lè wọlé pa àwọn kan, ṣùgbọ́n tí àwọn kan gbọ́dọ̀ sọ̀rọ̀. Now, nǹkan tí judgment sọ ni wípé why did Mr. Jackson wait to fight back? When Fulani S-men was stabbing him, ó yẹ kí Mr. Jackson kó máa sá lọ ni. Wọ́n consider pé tó bá ń sá lọ, tó máa la gímọ̀ lórí látẹ̀yìn, tó máa ṣá orí ẹ̀ látẹ̀yìn. So, nǹkan tẹ́ bá rí, ẹ bá mi kọ sí comment section. I remain myself, Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. See you on my next show. Thank you. If you have not followed me, follow me. And don't forget to click on the thumb up and like button. See you next time.